Hey Excel users, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you the top 5 Excel tips and tricks that will boost your productivity and save you hours of work. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, these tips are absolute game changers. Let's dive right in. Tip number 1 is Flash Fill. This feature is a lifesaver when you want to automate repetitive data entry tasks. Let's say you need to split a list of names into first and last names. Simply start typing the first name, and Flash Fill will do the rest for you. Just press Ctrl+E after entering a couple of examples and Excel will autofill the rest. Super simple. Next up is VLOOKUP and the newer, more powerful XLOOKUP. Both functions help you find specific data in large data sets, but XLOOKUP is more flexible. For example, you can use XLOOKUP to find a price based on a product code or retrieve a customer's details in seconds. XLOOKUP works in both directions, which makes it a better choice over VLOOKUP in most cases. I use it all the time for data analysis. Tip number 3 is conditional formatting, which allows you to highlight cells based on specific conditions. Let's say you want to highlight all cells where QTY are below a certain threshold. It's as easy as selecting your data, going to conditional formatting, and choosing your rule. Excel will highlight those cells, making it much easier to focus on critical data. Tip number 4 is using pivot tables. If you've ever had a massive data set and needed to summarize it quickly, pivot tables are your best friend. You can group data, calculate sums, and even create dynamic reports in just a few clicks. Just go to Insert and select Pivot Table. Drag and drop your fields, and voila, you have an insightful report ready in no time. Last but definitely not least, mastering keyboard shortcuts can save you tons of time. Here are a few of my favorites. Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. Ctrl+Z to undo. These shortcuts might seem small, but when you're working with large spreadsheets, they can make a huge difference. That's it for today's video on the top 5 Excel tips and tricks. I hope you found these tips helpful and that they help you work smarter, not harder. If you want to see more Excel content or have any specific questions, drop a comment below. Host, Deepak. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips, productivity hacks, and Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.